Lecture 1. What is Python? Welcome to your first step into the world of Python programming. Whether you are studying business, engineering, psychology, or simply exploring a new skill, Python is a great language to begin with. In this lecture, you will have a solid idea of what Python is, what it can do, and why learning it is a smart move, no matter what you are studying. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand what Python is and how it differs from other programming languages. Learn about the practical uses of the Python across different fields. Get a brief history of how Python started and why it has become so popular. What exactly is Python? Let's keep it simple. Python is a programming language. You can think of it as a way to tell a computer what to do using instructions that are easy to read and write. What makes Python stand out is how readable it is. If you can write basic English sentences, you're already halfway there. Unlike some other programming languages that are full of symbols and hard to read code, Python looks neat and makes sense. Example: instead of saying something complicated, Python lets you write something like print, for example, print this one, hello world. And you can just press enter, and here you can see, and that's it. Your computer will display that exact sentence. A quick look at Python's history. Python was created in the late 1980s by a programmer named Guido van Rossum. His goal was to design a language that was both powerful and easy to understand, something that would not scare off beginners. And the name? It actually comes from the British comedy group Monty Python, not the snake. Guido wanted programming to feel approachable and even a little fun. Since then, Python has grown into one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. From tech giants like Google and Netflix to researchers at NASA, people across all industries use Python every day to solve problems and build amazing things. Why is Python so popular? Python is one of the most popular programming languages today, and for good reason. Here's why students and professionals alike love it. It's beginner friendly. Python is a great first language to learn because of its clear, readable syntax. It's flexible. You can use Python for websites, data analysis, artificial intelligence, automation, and more. It's everywhere. Python is used in business, healthcare, science, education, you name it. Python is the top language used in data science and AI research, and it's also behind many of the apps and websites you use every day. Real world uses of Python. Here are just a few things people build with Python. Websites and web apps. For example, Instagram and Spotify use Python. Games and interactive applications. Data analysis and visualization. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. Automating boring tasks like organizing files or sending emails. So, whether you are interested in solving math problems, building a game, or automating a simple task, Python can do it. Python is not just for coders, it's a tool for thinkers, creators, and problem solvers.